You gotta watch He about to hit me with the pole. Hey guys, welcome back to our journey. As you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. Team Dukes has no idea what's about to happen. When I said Team Tima was coming for him, Team Tima was coming for him. I'm about to go slime this man. I've been waiting for the perfect opportunity to do this prank on Dukes. And right now, he's outside doing yard work. The grass is growing like crazy, and he's pulling the weeds out by hand and taking this old DirecTV dish out of the ground. Anyways, so he's doing all that. He's in his zone when he's outside doing yard work. It's a nice cool day during Ramadan because, you know, while we're fasting, it's really hard to do anything. So it is perfect time. I just got home from work. I look like a hot mess. But when Dukes pranked me, I bought slime. And I've been hiding it in my closet, waiting for the perfect opportunity to do this to him. This is probably the last video you'll ever see me in. Rest in peace to Tima, because I have no idea how he's gonna react. I am so nervous. I'm like out of breath. But I'm gonna make the slime upstairs in our bathroom, because if I make it downstairs, he's gonna see me, and then I'm just gonna sneak up behind him and just slime him. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna go down, but we'll see. Pray for me, y'all, because Team Tima is coming for Team Dukes. So do me a favor. Stop what you're doing. Take 1 second. Scroll down to the bottom and spam the comments with Team Tima. Because Team Tima, we go hard. I know y'all been waiting for this prank. I keep getting people asking me, when are you gonna prank him? When are you gonna prank him? Well, here we go. So I added the water, added the slime. Here you go. Oh my god, it's so thick. He's about to kill me, you guys. Okay, so I have the slime. I'm gonna show you guys what he's doing so you guys know. I'm gonna go downstairs. So I guess I'm just gonna walk out and just dump the slime on him. I didn't really plan this out. I didn't expect to do it today, but it is what it is. Team Tima, y'all. Oh my gosh, okay. All right, guys, let's go. I'm gonna peek around the corner to see what he's doing. He has no idea. He's so in his zone. Slime. I got you. Oh my god, look at that. You can't get mad, it's Ramadan. How's it feel? Huh? Team Tima. Say Team Tima. You gotta say Team Tima.
I don't gotta say nothing.
I came back for you. I told you I was coming.
Cold.
Here, turn around. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, man. You guys, Team Tima got Team Dukes.
What time is it?
What time is it? 7:30.
You said I can't get mad because I'm fasting, but we're about to break fast. We got 1 more hour. You got...
Oh, man. All right, clean this up.
I'm sitting here trying to do good for the house, taking that pole down, and then this is what. Wow.
Team Tima.
Okay.
Revenge prank. I told you Prank Wars was on, honey.
Okay.
How you feel?
Look at my shoes.
How you feel? How you
look
feel?
at my pants.
We have a washer dryer.
Okay, Team, I got something for you. All right, Medina Khan, Haley Brown, y'all provoked this. Faime,
Ethel.
So, Ethel, all of y'all going down. Y'all provoked this. Look, you're gonna clean this up.
Oh hell no! This is all you. You gotta what? He about to hit me with the pole. Look at this abuse, abuse.
Wow. What is this?
Slime.
Slime? This is not even a prank. This is just called being rude. This is not a prank. What kind of prank is this?
Oh man.
This is not a prank. This is being rude. You got my tools dirty. Well, you said we have about an hour till it.
Get out of here. You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna do nothing.
You're lucky I'm fasting, but anyways, I'm gonna go and now have to stop what I'm doing to take a shower because y'all want to play games, but okay.
The after effect. You want me to hold you down?
No.
What you doing?
You know what the hell I'm doing.
He is so mad right now, guys. He's controlling it because he's fasting. But yeah, you got a lot of work to do. Get to work, chop chop. Slap.
This one, chop. Yeah.
Oh, my phone.
My clothes.
My phone.
My clothes, Frank.
Okay, this expensive phone.
And these are expensive clothes.
No, they're not.
A few moments later.
Okay. Team Tima will always win in prank wars.
We'll
Don't
see.
mess with me.
We'll see.
Alright guys, that was your prank for you. Spam the comments, hit the like button.
Not even a prank.
It was a prank.
This
Don't
ain't
be
even
a
a
sore
prank.
loser. Don't
It's
be
not
a
even
sore
a prank.
loser. It's okay. Make sure you guys smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, I'm Tima.
I'm not gonna say it. Don't take care.
Take care.